For example 3, we're given cosecant of f is equal to 17 over 14. Now, we're not super familiar with these reciprocal dudes or dudettes. So what we want to do here is use our trigonometry toolkit to help us remember. Okay, we want to set these up consistently so that we can remember which are the reciprocals of which. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So this ratio tells us 17 is our hypotenuse, while 14 is our opposite side. Okay, so let's draw our triangle. This time our reference angle is F, so that's where our buddy is standing. Here is our hypotenuse because it's across from our right angle. We have the opposite side here. And we have our adjacent side down here. So we know that the hypotenuse is 17 and our opposite is 14. So we want to figure out what is the adjacent side. So we'll use Pythagorean theorem. Let's use our legs with A and B. Let's represent our legs with A and B. And our hypotenuse is represented by C all the time. Why? Because it's easy to remember. We like to stick with it. All right, so let's plug these guys in. We end up with a squared plus 14 squared is equal to 17 squared. And if you require a calculator for this part, don't worry. We end up with a squared plus 196 equals 289. Oops. 9. When we subtract 196 from each side, we get a squared equals 93. And a finally equals the square root of 93. Haha. So now the side adjacent to f is the square root of 93. Very cool. So now let's fill in our ratios. We know that sine of f is opposite over hypotenuse, or the reciprocal of cosecant. So we get 14 over 17. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so it's root 93 over 17. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, or 14 over root 93. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine, which is 17 over root 93. And cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, which is root 93 over 14. Dun, 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 dun. We did it. Okay.